Guys, so we're trying to ride our bikes here. Whew. There's roots, but his bike would probably shake the thing loose.
Is it up here?
Yeah.
I think I started up on like stuff that's hard to ride fast on.
There's also thunder in the background. He's ruined it. Guys. Guys, it's getting really muggy. I don't want it to rain. What is that? A mask or something?
It's in a pouch.
Treat pouch. Mist. So we came out of the woods part. It's where there's like an elementary school up there. We're riding our bikes in that red track. And yeah, hear a little bit of thunder. It's really distant. It hasn't rained yet. Oh my god, guys, what is that? It's getting so hot.
No, I'm a 9-year-old.
Let's stand up, please.
Mom, you ever think that might hurt?